Welcome to the company's payroll system training for Module 1, Tablet and User Setup. My name's Kelly Allison, the People and Culture Leader. This training session is available for people managers and administrators who are required to set up a tablet in preparation for a new work location or register a new user. At the end of the session, you'll be able to know what is required to set up a Surface tablet preference, install the Clock Live system patch for compatibility on the tablet, install the biometric device, set up users or employees through scanning their fingerprints, and reset users or employee accounts. Employees are able to access the company's payroll system through the Surface tablet. The company system is compatible on a Microsoft Surface 3 tablet with Windows Pro. However, there are some configuration issues which need to be installed by installing a patch prior to any new software being installed on the device. The biometric scanners are available through Roster Live and are required to be ordered in the weeks leading up to the device being used. Step 1. Start up the new tablet and register the user for the applicable centre. To do this, you'll be required to follow the steps on the tablet. Usernames should be the company and location. For example, Nido West Leaderville or Buggles Success. Password formats should be the company with 3 letters, with the first letter being uppercase and the remaining lowercase, and the centre location, all in uppercase with 2 to 3 letters depending on the internal identifiers of the company for that particular centre. Then followed by the number 1, 2. For example, Nido West Leaderville would be capital N for Nido, capital WL for West Leaderville, 1, 2. Or for Buggles Success would be capital B, UG, capital S, capital U, capital C, 1, 2. Step 2. Once registered, you can now install the Clock Live patch and software. When opening the tablet, the following home screen will appear. To download the software, click the desktop. This will take you to the tablet's desktop, which looks exactly like a normal computer running Windows. Once here, the patch will need to be downloaded. This patch link is saved in the People and Culture server under Payroll, Software Implementation, Roster Live, and Patch for Windows 8 to download USB software. Please note this needs to be shared in some way. Some options may be to save the file on a USB or to email it to an email exchange and save it. Depending on how you are downloading the patch will depend on what you see here. When you are downloading the patch, however, please ensure that you click Save so it saves to the tablet's hard drive. Once the patch has been downloaded, now install the patch onto the computer's hard drive. Step 3. Download the bio web link. I will now take you through a live demonstration. To download the bio web link, in Roster Live, navigate to Clock Live and then select Set up biometric users. Ensure you select the correct centre that you want to work in and then click Not Enrolled. This will show you all the employees who are currently not enrolled into the biometric users. For first time users, to install the biometric web link, click Enroll against any employee. This will come up and try and connect with the service, but it will be unable to do so. So to install the bio web link, click on the link provided here. A prompt will then appear confirming the download request. Once downloaded, press Save. Depending on the browser that you're using, different options or messages may be shown while downloading the software. After opening the bio web link, files will be extracted which are needed for the installation. When the extraction is finished, the bio web link setup wizard appears. Click the Next button to continue. Review the end user license agreement shown and tick the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions. Click the Next button to continue. Review the folder where the software will be installed and make changes where required. Click the Next button to continue. Click the Install button. After the Install button is clicked, the installation status is shown. When the installation is finished, click the Finish button to finalise the process. After the installation, the software is ready for use with the biometric enrolment and login tools in Roster Live. Step 4. Once installed, you can now connect the biometric scanner to the tablet via the USB. Step 5. Enrolling new users with the employee present. All employees will need to be biometrically enrolled before using the unit. This one-time enrolment process registers the employee's finger scan template within Roster Live for authentication. Employee registration ensures the employees have the option to sign into Clock Live using their password provided by Payroll or the biometric authentication. I will now take you through a live demonstration. To enrol an employee, in Roster Live, navigate to Clock Live, set up biometric users. Ensure the correct working location is selected and then click Not Enrolled. Click the Enrol button for the employee who you wish to enrol. Wait until the connection to the BioWeb link service has been established. A message is displayed requesting the employee to place their finger on the unit. To enrol, the employee should place their finger onto the unit. After 2 seconds, the employee should then remove the finger from the unit. Repeat these steps until the employee has 3 valid scans of their chosen finger. If all 3 of the scans are valid, a success message will be displayed. Click OK to complete the enrolment. Step 6. An employee's enrolment can be reset in the case the employee wishes to submit a new set of finger scans or wishes to change the finger used for authentication. Performing a reset removes the previously stored finger scans against an employee. We will now take you through a live demonstration. To perform a reset, in Roster Live, navigate to Clock Live, set up biometric users. Ensure the correct working location is selected and the Enroll view is selected. Click the Reset button next to the employee that you'd like to reset. Click the OK button to confirm the reset. A success message will be displayed to confirm that the reset has been done. The enrolment status of the employee will revert back to not enrolled. To re-enroll the user again, the Step 5 enrolling users will have to be followed. Step 7. While still in the desktop of the tablet, set the Internet Explorer favourite websites for ease of access for users. The following websites are recommended to be installed. Firstly, the company website, which is either Buggles or Nido Early School. Email access via www.myadppayroll.com.au and Clock Live access via www.clocklive.net. To do this, while in Internet Explorer, under Tools, select Internet Options. Under the Home page, type in each applicable website address on its own line and click OK. Congratulations, you have now successfully completed this module.